Hello class, I am Meera Mishra, your EVS teacher, and today we will study about animals. In animals, we are taking water animals, insects and birds. So first we will study about water animal. So water animals are animals that live in water. Okay, they live in water. For example, fish, crocodile, frog. Okay, so turtles also live in water. Okay, they are aquatic animal. And first we are taking fish, Fish. So the body of a fish has fins, gills, eyes, tail. So fins are used for movement. Gills are used for breathing by them. Okay, and two creatures that live in water. Their name is jellyfish and crayfish. Their name has fish, but they are not fish. Okay, so there are many varieties of fish. Okay, and some are colorful. They are kept in aquarium. Okay, second water animal is crocodile. 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 It is a reptile. Okay, it is semi-aquatic animal. Its lifespan is 70 years. Its speed is 24 to 29 km per hour. Its body weight is 400 to 1000 kilogram. Its length of its body is 4.3 to 5.2 meters, and a crocodile is flesh eater. Okay. Third water animal is frog, Frog. It is so it lives in water. It lays eggs in water. They do not drink water. Okay, they breathe through their skin. They catch their prey with their tongue, and their call is called a croak. Croak. Now, we will study about bird. So when we talk about bird, we think that something that flies in the sky. So in bird category, we will study about owl and parrot. So first of all, we are taking parrot. So in India, we see parrot in green body and red beak. Okay, the spelling of parrot is Parrot. So their spaces are 370, and they can imitate human being. They are very intelligent animal. Their food is nut, fruits, flowers. Their lifespan is their lifespan okay, leave it. Then we will study about owl. So if we talk about the body of a parrot, we can see eyes, beak, tail. Okay, then we will talk about owl, OWL, and this bird has large eyes, ear hole, beak, feather. It can rotate its neck at 270 degree. They live alone most of the year. Now we will talk about insects. So insects have four legs. Okay. So in insects, we will learn about cockroach, bee, and mosquito. So first we will talk or we will discuss about bee, B double E. So uh, as we know, honey is obtained by bee. Bees have 6 legs, 4 wings. Okay, so there are 80,000 bees can live under one roof. Okay, and the mother bee is called the queen bee. Mother bee can lay 2,000 eggs in one day. Okay, the female bee is called worker bee. Now we will talk about cockroach. Cockroach, cockroach. So there are 4,000 species of cockroach. Their lifespan is 1 year. My God. They live in group. They can live without food for 1 month, without water for 2 weeks, without head for 1 week. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.